Hey everybody, it's BT here with the January 2018 Introverts Retreat box. You have to excuse the box. There was a label on top, so let's get started. Alright, so this time they've upgraded because usually they just stick whatever is on the box right here. So we have a little card with all the products on here. Is this the products? Oh no, this is just a description of. Oh no, this is the products. Oh, they made it like a little note. Okay, that's cute and creative. Anyway, this is one of my favorite boxes. I wasn't too thrilled with last month's box, but that's okay. That's not gonna make me quit the subscription because I've gotten many great boxes. So this time they put the book on top, and with this box you can pick the genre of books you like to read, or you can just leave it open. And I have left it open because I love to read, so I really don't have a specific choice or desire. So the book we have is An Irish Country Wedding, and it is by Patrick Taylor, MD, Dr. Patrick Taylor. And let's see. Well, I'm not going to read all that. You guys can go online and kind of read up on it. Okay. And then we have a sea soak organic seaweed. Oh, I don't know if it's this, but something in here smells amazing. That smells great. I'm not sure if it's this, but something smells great. And then what is this? Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub, Rose Petals. Or it might be this that smells great. Okay. I like the fact that the body scrub is a bar. And then we have Tanzania to rhyme or to ream. I don't know how to pronounce that, so forgive my mispronunciation. I'm not a big coffee drinker, so I will pass this on to my husband. He loves coffee. In fact, his whole family love coffee. Dark chocolate, sea salt, turbinado sugar. Okay, well, my husband and I will share this because I'm not a big dark chocolate fan. You gotta have a taste for that. Magnetic bookmarks. Okay, this is cute. I've never seen this before. Me likey. Okay, and one thing I love about this subscription is that they give you some type of craft or project to do. Bungalow lantern. So I'm guessing, what do you do? Connect all four sides to the base square, place the lid on top, twist the lock, and add the hook and tea light. Okay. So we can build ourselves a little bungalow lantern. That's adorable. And then we have a mask. Is there anything else in here? 12 purse size emery boards. Well, I definitely need these because I rarely do my nails. That's adorable. I think, is that it? Nope, there's something else. Oh, okay, so this is the tea light. Uh-oh. The tea light that goes with our bungalow lantern. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So we have the bungalow lantern, the tea light, a mask, pocket-sized emery boards, magnetic bookmarks, love, dark chocolate, coffee, sea soak, body scrub that is an actual bar or round, the book, An Irish Country Wedding, and their description card that is usually just posted right here, but this is cute. Alright, so thanks for watching my vid. Talk to you all later.